Glasgow High School engineering teacher J.R. Dakin and GHS senior Brad Mahung experiment new features with our new CNC machine here at Glasgow.
This is our first practice file. It's zeroed in and now it knows exactly where the top of this board is.
So this is our new CNC machine. We got this maybe back in December. Took a while to get hooked up because, all the wiring and stuff. But we're super stoked to have it here. We just finished our first print off here. I designed this with a little Glasgow G and also the school insignia on the right side. This didn't turn out the way I wanted to, but we're still tweaking with it. I'm just really excited to have it finally going, and hopefully we can get some really cool stuff going soon.
Thank you, J.R. Dakin, for all your hard work to help make our future engineers more successful. For Scotty Channel, I'm Ellie Ball.
Is that newsworthy?
I think so.
Oh, yeah.